Hello, doers. Have you ever faced a situation where stock is available in your warehouse but not in the right location? Or sales orders are getting blocked even though you know inventory exists? Somewhere else in Odoo, this is exactly where internal transfers and replenishment rules comes into play. So in today's video, I'll show you how internal transfers work, how replenishment automates stock movements, and how both together ensures the right product is always in the right place at the right time. So let's begin. So here you can see I have already loaded my database here. So what I'll do is I'll simply create a product. By the way, I have already created one product called red shirt here. So here you can see my this product is already trackable. So what I will do is now let me give you one scenario. So what I have done right now is I have created one warehouse. Let me showcase you that as well. So this is my warehouse. Now what I will do is I have two locations. One is internal location and second one is a deep storage location. So here in this case what I have done is I haven't considered my deep storage location as in another warehouse, but instead what I have done is that other location is a part of my internal location only. So here you can see deep warehouse. So this is my internal location, and this is the location from where I'm going to sell the stock. So what should ideally happen is whenever a stock is available in this location, it's going to sell. So what I do is generally I use this location as my storage location. Means if I am having 100 SKUs or 100 products, I will immediately transfer 80 SKUs into the deep warehouse location, and I'm going to keep 20 products in my stock. And by using the automation rule or by using the replenishment rule, whenever my stock in my this location is going down, system will automatically create an internal transfer and my product will be replenishment to the max in this particular location. Now let us start with the real case scenario. So I'll again jump into my product. So here you can see this is my product. Right now you can just ignore the cost, and also you can see I don't have any quantity as of now. So what I will do is I will do a procurement. Oops, my bad. I'll do the procurement. I'll just quickly procure the product. I'm going to procure this one. So here I'm doing the procurement. So let me just quickly get 30 shirts, and there we go. So 30 shirts are now in our warehouse. So what I will do is let me just showcase those shirts. So here you can see 30 shirts are already available, but those shirts are, where are those shirts? Those shirts are in stock. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll just do an internal transfer, and I'm going to, okay, this is not required. So what I'll do is source location is okay. I'll send my I'll send my 25 shorts into deep warehouse, and I'll just keep 5 shorts into my stock only. Now if I open my SKU, you'll able to see on hand quantity is just the same, but the stock is divided into 25 and 5. So 5 are here and 25 are here. Now let us again go back to the product and let us create a reordering rule. So when products are required in stock. I have already created a route. Minimum is 5, or what else? Minimum is 10 and maximum is 15. So I'll just save this. So right now my on-hand quantity is less than the minimum quantity, and obviously it's less than the maximum quantity as well. So right now if I run the scheduler, what the system will do is, as I have 5 on-hand quantity and my maximum is 15, so system will create an internal transfer to transfer 10 quantities from my deep location to my warehouse, to my location, stock, this particular location. Before doing that, let me showcase you what I have done. Actually, I have created one location, one route, that is deep storage warehouse internal transfer. It's a simple route. I am just pulling the stock from this location. Nothing fancy, as simple as that. Now let us open the overview. So here you can see right now I was doing some internal transfer. Let me just open that. So here you can see my yellow tea is already there, no problem. Now what we will do is we will do the replenishment. Just we will run this one. Okay, perfect. It is now done. Let us open this. So here you can see the system has automatically added this particular red shot into my internal transfer 1 as it was in the ready state. So because my source location and destination location both are same, so system has already clubbed this one. So here you can see 10 quantities are already added in here. Let me just simply validate this one. Now if I open my red shot, you can see from here 15 15. The system has divided stock into it 15 and 15. Now if I am going to sell, if I'm going to sell the stock, let us just try selling 6. I'm just doing the sales. Right short 6, confirm, just deliver that. No SMS is not required, and done. Now again my stock has become low. So here you can see my minimum is 10 and my on-hand quantity is less than that one. So now at this moment, if I run the scheduler, system will create an internal transfer of 6 because 9 plus 1 is 10 and 5 is 15. So 6 will be moved from here to here. Now I will create inventory operation. Let me just run the scheduler. Okay, it's done. So here you can see system has already created 6, but what I will do is I won't validate this particular operation. Instead, right now you can see 6 red t-shirts needs to be transferred from my deep warehouse to my stock. What I will do is I'll create a sale. And I'm going to sell 6 red shirts. As 9 is already there in my current stock, I'm going to sell 6. Done. So here you can see on hand quantity, on hand quantity. So right now I have only three red shirt in my stock, and if you remember we have already created one internal transfer that is for 6. So 6 plus right now if I run the scheduler again, so system will update that a particular transfer, because 6 plus 6 is incoming plus 3, that is 9, which is still less than my minimum quantity. So right now if I run the scheduler, what system will do is system will add additional 6 SKUs or 6 units, that because 6 is incoming plus 3, that is 9, plus 6 is 15, that is my maximum quantity. So let us check if system is doing the same or not. Before that, let me just showcase you that one transfer is already in place here. You can see ready, and I have the 12 quantities here. Okay, system has already updated the quantity. Great. Think scheduler has already ran. What we will do is let us just again run the scheduler. Let us go back. See, yeah, that's correct. Scheduler has already run. That's why it's showing 6, and already 6 is added. So system has already updated this one. In case if we have validated the 6 previously, system could have created new internal transfer, that is 6. I know it is a bit complicated, but once you try this by your own, it won't look complicated anymore. If you have any doubt in this particular test case, just do let me know. We will hop on a call and I'll just try to clear all the doubt.